Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Lovers in reverse, Seven of Spheres and Knight of Sons in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are seeing some kind of lack of clarity today. Maybe in certain things, maybe your plans have not gone the way you expected. Maybe some plans in your work, or maybe it may be plans in your relationship. So certain things are happening in an unexpected way, something giving that air of uncertainty. You don't know how things will go in your future, and maybe with this person you are thinking where this connection is taking you, whether it will be towards marriage or you may go separate ways. So some kind of uncertainty is there in your heart by the way things are going. Maybe it may be because of your circumstances, or maybe because of something this person tells you. Maybe their words give you that meaning today, guys. So you have a lack of clarity today and confused where things are headed. And these unexpected or uncertain feelings may be because of some misunderstanding you both may have with each other, guys. Maybe you are someone who wants commitment and you are an honest person. You are responsible and you want a devoted, loyal connection with this person. And maybe it may be too early to ask that other person to be this way for some of you, maybe, guys. So they are not interested in committing to you. That may be the reason for some misunderstanding in your relationship, and that may be the reason they are trying to avoid you. Maybe they do not want to commit so early in a relationship. And for some of you, maybe in your career or in your relationship, guys, you need to you feel like taking some time off, maybe from work or from your relationship. Maybe you want a break, you want a detox, maybe you're thinking of a vacation, guys. So that is going to clear your mind and give you a clear clarity and a different perspective, maybe a clear perspective. So what needs to be done? And in your relationship also, guys, maybe with this person you just want a time off, maybe because of these misunderstandings you may have, or your thinking may be different, their thinking may be different, or you both want different things. That may be the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We picked one card, so it is Death in reverse. So there are some changes happening, whether you like it or not, in your relationship, guys. And it may be something unexpected, maybe your plans. That was what we were speaking about. The plans you had for this love. Maybe you were planning for commitment, marriage, and settling down with them. Maybe they are not interested in that now. So, your plans are not going to succeed, guys. So, if you are thinking of making an important decision today, you need to wait, Libras. This may not be the right time for you. So, you must give it more time, see where things are going. Trust the way things are flowing in your relationship, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is 9 of stars in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are quite emotional, afraid of your future maybe, and maybe circumstances are not going as expected. You may see some delays or suspensions in your work, but you need not fear the changes happening today, guys. Your fear is without a base. So, only when you see some difficult or challenging situation in your present, you need to fear it. But even before seeing some difficulty, you are afraid that in your future you may be seeing some challenges. So it may be an unreasonable fear you are having in your mind, guys, regarding your career. So there may be some minor challenges you are seeing today, but it won't be something big affecting the way things are in your career situation, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey. But they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however, life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps. Move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.